simple form. To start with, in the top right, I'm going to click New Type, and I'm going to call this a contact form. You'll see that by default, it's got a plural of contact forms, which is correct, and it's got a database key. I'm going to change the defines type to a form submission, because that's what we are creating, and I'm going to hit save. It's going to give me some more options here where I can change this security or privacy to public, which means that anybody can view and submit this form. I'm going to click field editor over here, and you're going to see that by default we've got a bit of a person with some subfields, and that's got first name, last name, email address, and phone number. And if I click the person field, you'll see that this is actually going to create a new person in our CRM when someone fills this in. Now this form is going to be quite simple. I'm going to add an extra field by clicking the add field button. And I'm just going to add a basic text field, and we're going to call it your message or inquiry. I'm going to change the input type to a text area. It means people can add multiple lines. And down here, I'm going to change the minimum answers to 1, which means that it's going to be required. They're going to have to answer it once. The maximum answers I'm also going to leave as 1, but I'll quickly show you what that could look like if I change that to 3. Here, you'll see that now I can add multiple messages or inquiries. But we don't need that complexity. We're going to leave it as 1. And I think that's all we really need to do. We can also add some confirmation details or notifications that can go to other people. But for now, I'm going to hit save. And if we click the 3 dots up here, I can get my public form link, which will take me over here, and we have a form. Let's fill it in, put some details in. Testing the form. I'm going to hit submit. And if we go back to our dashboard, we'll click form submissions. We'll see our contact form there. You can see it's created a profile for Joe Testing. We can also see that he's got some details there, and he's also submitted a form. And we can also view the form itself. I'm going to click the user interfaces over here. I'm going to go to our basic website that we've been building, click the contact us section, and over here in our basic form block, I'm going to select our contact form that we just made, and you'll see that that's going to pop up on our website. I'm going to hit save, and we'll publish that to our own website as well. Added a form. And now we can click to view it online and see that people can also submit the form on our website. Just like they could on the public form link. If we hit submit, we can go back to our dashboard over here, get out of the interface builder, and click forms, look at our contact forms, and there's Susan's and Joe's. There's lots of other features you can do with forms, but that's as simple as it is to start with.